Hi guys, my name is Andrei and today we're gonna take a look at the image component. So let's get started. In order to add the image, we can first of all click on the editor side and write image and provide the name of the image. I have already an image copied from the Apple site Swift UI, and as you can see, the preview updated pretty fast and displayed the Swift UI image. We can also use some system default icons by writing system name, and I looked this up, so it's Sun Max Fill. And now we have a sun icon that is pretty small. Because these are SVGs, we can make them bigger by using fonts, so we're gonna give them the default large title size and change the color by using foreground color and setting it to yellow. Now you can see we have a yellow sun. Basically this is it for using an image component at a basic level. Maybe in a future tutorial we're gonna look at other sort of implementation, but for now, thank you and see you at the next one.